It was brilliant. It was great fun. Probably the best gig of our lives, I think. Yeah!
Take my hand, we were dancing underneath the stars on the beach, only us. Take my hand, we were dancing in the shadow of the moon. Take my hand, take my
Incredible. Flew in, went too fast. I was like, that was a goal.